YouTube channel has only uploaded 334 shorts videos and has 809K subscribers. It has gained a total of 495 million views so far. And every single month, this channel gets millions of views. Every single video gets thousands and millions of views. This means that this guy is earning quite a good amount of money, and the biggest thing is that you can upload such videos on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, anywhere, and you will get very good numbers of views. Even such videos are widely viewed on Facebook. This means that you can earn money from anywhere, but this is only possible when you work consistently. And trust me, my friend, it will only take you 20 minutes to make such a video. And even if you don't have any editing skills, you can still easily make such a video just by using an AI tool. So let's find out how you can make videos of this type. This guy creates animal facts, short videos, by mixing AI voice, stock footage, captions, and background music, which is very easy. So first, I'll look for ideas for the first 50 short videos. I'll use ChatGPT for this purpose. I'll go to ChatGPT and ask, "Hello ChatGPT, give me 50 interesting animal facts, ideas for short videos." As soon as I hit enter, you'll see that ChatGPT has provided me with 50 fact ideas. Now you can use these to create short videos. All right, my friends, now we need a script for the short video. Today, I won't be using ChatGPT for the script. Instead, I'll use a new tool called Fliki AI. Fliki AI is an all-in-one AI tool that provides powerful features like text-to-video, blog-to-video, Twitter-to-video, AI avatar, text-to-speech, and many more. I'll provide the link to Fliki AI in the description below so you can directly come here from there. So make sure to check the description. You can use Fliki AI for free, but if you're considering purchasing it, I've provided a promo code in the description for a 10% discount. Simply sign up using the link I've provided, and you'll arrive at this dashboard. Once you're here, you need to create a new file. Choose video and give your file a name. I'll name it Cheetah Fact, since I'm going to create a video about cheetah facts. Keep the language English, aspect ratio portrait, and select idea. Then hit Submit. After submitting, you'll see a new dashboard like this. Now you need to write a prompt. I'll write, "Interesting fact about cheetah." Keep the maximum duration to 1 minute since we're making short videos. Choose stock media, make sure the video option is ticked, and then simply submit. Now this AI tool will generate the script, and within a second, our video will be ready. You'll see a dashboard like this. Let's take a preview and see how our raw video has turned out.
World of the cheetah. In a world where speed is...
You'll notice that the video doesn't look good yet. The voice and background don't match, the subtitles don't look that good, and the scenes are too long. So let's quickly set all these things right. First, I'll change the background music. I'll just click on this background audio. Now we can use any background music from here. So now, according to my video, I'll search for action music here. And you'll see that we have all these epic and action music options here. Don't worry, you won't face any copyright issues. You can use this music freely. All right, so I'll choose a piece of good music. I really like this one, so I'll choose it. Okay, now you need to go to the right side and set the volume of the background audio to 5. All right, now let's find a good voiceover that suits this video. I just clicked on voiceover, and now you'll see that you have support for more than 1,000 ultra-realistic voices plus language here, in which, if you have a premium plan of Fliki AI, you can use all of these. All right, so I'll use this voice now. It's one of my favorite voices. So I selected the voice and then ticked apply this voice to all the voiceovers, so that this voice applies to all scenes. And then I just click select. All right, now the voice has been applied to all scenes. Now, since this voice is a bit slow, I'll select scene 1, and from the right side, I'll increase the speed of the voiceover to 125%. Then click on Apply to Similar Layers, and hit Apply. So now this setting has been applied to all scenes as well. All right, let's take a preview.
Just a measure, but the very essence of survival. That's the world of the cheetah.
Now our voiceover has become faster and sounds good. Now let's set up the subtitles. Select any scene, and on the right side, you first need to untick these two options. It's not necessary, you can use these effects, but I won't. Then I'll change the font style to Roboto, set the subtitle size to large, and in display, choose word for subtitle style. After that, I'd like to keep the text color yellow so that the subtitles are clearly visible. Then keep the background color black, increase the opacity first from here, then choose the background color, and lastly, you can also add animation, but I won't add animation. All right, after doing this, simply click on Apply to Similar Layers and hit Apply. And done. Now our subtitle settings have been successfully applied to all scenes. All right, let's play.
Unleashing speed, the fascinating world of the cheetah. In a world where speed isn't just a measure, but the...
Perfect. So my friends, Now our 60% of our work is done. Now we need to do one very important setting. That is, we need to divide these scenes into different parts. Because right now we have a total of 8 scenes, and all these scenes are quite long. And you guys know very well that in a short video, we need to add as many visuals as possible so that our video becomes more interesting and we get more than 80% audience retention. All right, so dividing the scene into different parts is very important. Let's do it. Firstly, we have scene 1. Everything is fine in scene 1. We don't need to change anything in it. So I'll move on to scene 2. In scene 2, I'll copy the last piece of the sentence, then I'll add a new scene and paste the sentence here. Now I have divided scene 2 into 2 parts. Now in the first part of scene 2, I'll add a video clip. There's already footage added, but I want to change it. You can try the auto pick feature, but sometimes it doesn't work perfectly. So I'll manually add it. I'll search for cheetah and you'll find a lot of stock footage. So now I'll use this clip. Okay? After that, I'll move to scene 3 and I'll also add a video clip in scene 3. Again, I'll search for cheetah and this time I'll add this footage. All right. After that, I'll move to scene 4, and I also need to divide scene 4 into 3 parts. So first, I'll copy this sentence, then add a new scene, and paste it here. Similarly, I'll copy this sentence as well, add a new scene, and paste it there. And I'll add footage to all 3 scenes. All right, then I'll proceed further, and I'll also divide scene 7 into 2 parts. I've copied this part, added a new scene, and pasted it here. Then I'll add a video clip to scene 7. This time, I'll try using a GIF file. You'll find all types of GIF files here. Then, I'll quickly add visuals to scene 8 as well. All right. Again, I'll copy this sentence from scene 9, add a new scene, and paste it here. I want to change the footage in scene 9 as well, so I'll try using a GIF file here too. I'll add this GIF. After that, I'll go to scene 10 and use this video clip. Then in scene 11, I'll again copy the last sentence, add a new scene, paste it there, and then choose this GIF from the stock library. I'll quickly add visuals to scene 12. But this time, let's try an AI-generated video. I'll go to Generate, then I'll choose an AI video clip and simply write a prompt here. And generate it. This will take a minimum of 30 seconds. All right, guys, our image has been generated. Now I'll simply click on Generate Video using this video clip. Our video will be generated within 60 seconds. So you see, guys, our video has been generated and it looks pretty cool. I'll add it to the scene. All right, it's looking quite good. Now, I'll quickly fast forward the video and customize scene 13 and scene 14 by adding stock videos to them. All right, I've done it. Please check the entire video from start to finish once, and if anything is missing or needs to be changed in the project, do it now. Okay. Now, one more thing you can do if you want to reduce the gap between scenes, you can go to settings and set the gap between scenes to 0.3 seconds and hit save. All right. Now, we've done everything. So why not export the video now? I'll just download the video from here. It will take 1-2 minutes, and after the video is exported, you'll also receive a notification via email. All right, guys, our video has been exported, so let's see the final result.
Unleashing speed, the fascinating world of the cheetah. Imagine a world where speed isn't just a measure, but the very essence of survival. That's the world of the cheetah. The cheetah, nature's marvel, holds the title of the fastest land animal, reaching speeds up to 75 miles per hour. But speed isn't just for the thrill. It's a survival mechanism, enabling the cheetah to catch agile prey. Interestingly, while running, a cheetah's stride can measure up to 22 feet, a testament to its incredible acceleration. What sets the cheetah apart is not just its speed, but its acceleration, going from 0 to 60 in mere seconds. Yet, this unmatched speed comes at a cost. A cheetah can only maintain its top speed for short bursts. In the heart of the savannah, the cheetah's tale of speed is a breathtaking blend of power, grace, and survival.
The video has turned out to be quite engaging and impressive. So my friends, if you upload such videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, you'll get a quick boost, guys. Remember, uploading 2-4 videos won't give you a boost. You'll get 100% results when you consistently upload videos. Trust me, it's my personal experience, my friends. All right, so that's it for today's video. And one more thing, please, if you have the budget, you can try Fliki AI Standard or Premium Plan. It will give you a lot in return. That's why I've also purchased Fliki AI, because by using Fliki, I'm running many faceless channels, TikTok accounts, and Instagram pages, and I also earn passive income. All right, the link is in the description. And don't forget to apply the code to get a 10% discount. Okay, so that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and before leaving the video, make sure to watch the video where I've explained how you can earn money through the TikTok creativity program.